Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use TikTok web on PC. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! TikTok, like any other major social media platform, also offers a web version accessible through most web browsers. You have a computer with a web browser no matter which one. Well, that then you can access TikTok from it without more workarounds. While accessing TikTok from the computer browser has limitation compared to the mobile app, it's a convenient option for quick access without installing additional software. So I will show you how to use TikTok website on your PC or laptop. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your browser. You can search for TikTok. I've made the video about how to log in to your TikTok using your QR code or maybe phone number or email. You can check it. Now here's I've already logged in with my account. Now in here, you can just scrolling your TikTok and see and check from your TikTok. You can check your chat with the notification in here. If you don't like, you can change the settings, like if you prefer dark mode, or you can change the language like this. So here's how you to use your TikTok website on your laptop or PC. Very simple, right? So that is how to use TikTok website on your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!